In question 5, you were given this contingency table and then asked some questions. A and B both deal with conditional proportions, and part C deals with relative risk. So I've recreated the table here. Question A says what proportion of mothers who did not take AZT had babies who tested positive for HIV. So we're just looking at the last row of the table. And to figure out that proportion, you're just going to do 41 out of 161 because there was 41 in the positive column and the total is 161. In part B, it's kind of the same thing. We're just looking at the other row. So what proportion of mothers who did take AZT had babies who tested positive for HIV? So 14 out of 164. And then in question C, we're looking at the relative risk. So let's see what the question says. Mothers who did not take AZT are blank times more likely to have HIV positive babies than mothers who took AZT. So let's say in part A, this had been equal to some number A. In part B, this gives us some number B. We can calculate relative risk by doing the proportion from one group divided by the proportion for the other group. So for this problem, we can just do A over B, and that will be our relative risk, and also the answer to part C.